Welcome to guitar lesson number 1. Today we'll start learning to play the guitar. Let's jump straight in, and remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you'd like. I want to remind you to listen carefully.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
I've got an idea. Let's see if we can learn all the parts on the guitar. These are called the tuners. They keep the guitar in tune and help it to sound correct. This is the neck and fretboard. The guitarist pushes the strings down to the fretboard to get the different sounds. This is the guitar's body, and the sound hole is where all the magical sounds come from.
Hooray!
Good job! Let's see what's in step 2. Let's get to work learning the string names. Do you know how many strings a guitar has? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each string has a name, and we can say the phrase, elephants and donkeys grow big ears. E for elephant, A for and D for donkeys, G for grows, B for big, and E for ears.
Believe you can and you will. Follow your dreams. Let your light shine.
Do you know how those strings sound? Let's have a listen. Can you play too? Let's pluck each string like this. Can you guess the letter name and number of this string being plucked? String 4. That's definitely the one. Consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you are helping to support future videos like this and build a community of people just like you.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Start in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Start in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine! When you know better, you do better. Always follow your heart and believe in yourself. You can do this!
Step 3. How to hold your guitar. This looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Go ahead and grab your guitar, and you're going to sit on a comfortable chair and rest the guitar on your thigh like this. Make sure the guitar leans against your chest and your elbow will sit on top of the guitar and the neck is pointing like this. Remember, pause the video if you need to and practice sitting with the guitar. We are almost there now. In this course, we keep returning to your confidence. You have what it takes to learn to play the guitar and reach your dreams. Here's 3 ways I messed up learning guitar. 1. I had a guitar and I never found the time to practice it because I had all this other stuff. And then I started to practice at least 3 times a week. And I got there. I tried learning guitar many times. This doesn't mean I was failing. I just needed to practice more basic stuff. I didn't know where to start. The best time to have the map is before you enter the woods. Here's what to do after completing today's lesson. Have fun practicing what you have learned for at least 10 minutes. Then come and join me for more fun tomorrow in day 2. And there's hidden treasure waiting for you there. I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm David, author of the book Guitar Start in 30 Days. I'm founder at David Aldridge Guitar Schools, where I help boost kids' confidence, one note, one song and lesson at a time. I want to honor and appreciate you for taking the time out of your busy day to be in education. And that means so much to me. I'd like to share these inspiring words with you. They mean a lot to me, and I hope they do for you too. There's a place you are to fill, and no one else can fill. Something you are to do, no one else can do. By small and simple things are great things brought to pass. Caleb is a budding guitarist and also a big Elvis fan, aren't you? What's your favourite Elvis song?
Jailhouse Rock, That's All Right.
So, Caleb is also learning guitar, and today he's going to play a little bit of what song, Caleb?
That's All Right. Okay, so you make sure you might want your fingers on there. You can go on fret 2, then you go like this. Then that one. Then that one,